boring. This book is so thick. 但是只可以做一本阅读记录。Oh my god.
Hey girlie, don't you know?
What?
We have a new program. Satu hari 3 bahan bacaan.
啊？一天3个读物
3
？Huh? 3? Impossible.
Yes, darling. 3.
Like this? Or like this?
Oh, gee. No need. We got this.
Huh? Just this? 只是包？
Yeah, let me show you.
Inside 知识包 there are articles, stories, and comics.
Remember, one comment, one reading record. 一篇文章，一个阅读记录。Satu cerita, satu rekod bacaan.
Got it?